Sir, here is the assignment number 10, which is commission. So first we have to put some equal, and then we need to go to the logical and click the F. Ay, F man siya. Then click the sales, which is 25,000, and greater than 30,000 value. So click gyapon na itong sales, then times 20%, and here na po click gyapon na to, times gyapon and 1%. So okay, so drag na nato na siya paubos para makakuha na to ang total na.
Uy, diri ako tabat ni.
Unsa na yung mga asay ka yung sa TikTok yours?
Ha?
Unsa yung pangalan sa TikTok na ay?
Ako? Pangalan ako?
Ano?
Ay, may pangalan.
Next is 30.
Pero, pwede niyo. Diba?
Para makuha na to ang, kung tama ba itong formula nga gamit, we need to change the threshold into 40,000. And the high rate is 50% and the low rate is 0%. So we need to do, click na to ang 40, then 50 and 0. Okay, so i-drag na to na siya pa down. Down. Goods. So save na to. Here in assignment number 10 in activity 2. So same lang gyapon ng formula nga gamiton. You have to put equal and go to the logical and click the F. Then click the H of the baby, which is 2. Then
Wala na siya. Wala na siya.
okay. Then small. Okay. Small. So drag lang na to na siya paubos. Okay. Then go to the new rule, and click the format of results and contain, then cell view, specific text, then type ang medium and format. Pattern, so get connect. So okay, then gora gyapon magpili ulit ang format ng cells at gyapon to diagray specific text, then hit format, then napili ng ka-color ng icon kana green, then okay, Ay, wait. Mag-type sa data. Small. Type na small. Okay. Then, okay. So, 1 na siya. Then, 6 is print at 10 goods.